In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill in, and how to make sure your meeting has a working Teams link, all from your browser. First, open your favorite web browser and head to Microsoft.com. On the homepage, look for the All Microsoft option. This is a quick way to see all Microsoft services in one place. From there, select Outlook. That will take you to Outlook on the web, which is perfect for scheduling and managing meetings without installing anything extra. Next, click Sign In, enter your Microsoft account credentials for your work, school, or personal account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're signing into the one where you want the meeting to live so it appears on the correct calendar. Once you're in, switch to the calendar view by clicking Calendar. You'll see your schedule laid out by day, week, or month, depending on your preference. This is where we'll create the meeting. Click New Event. A scheduling window will open with fields for your meeting information. Start with a clear title that makes the purpose obvious. In the description box, add any context attendees might need, like an agenda or prep notes. Set the date and time carefully and double check the time zone if you work across regions. If this is a one-off meeting, you're all set. If it's part of a recurring series, you can choose a repeat pattern. But if you don't need that, just keep it as a single event. Now, look for the toggle that enables a Teams meeting. Turn that on. When you enable it, Outlook automatically generates a Microsoft Teams link and adds it to the meeting details so everyone can click to join at this scheduled time. This is crucial. Without this toggle, your meeting won't have an online join link. When everything looks right, click Save. That places the event on your calendar and keeps the Teams link attached to it. If you come back later to make changes, like updating the time or refining the description, simply open the event, adjust what you need, and save again. That's it. You've scheduled a Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook from start to finish. Quick tip. Use a descriptive title and a short agenda in the description to help participants prepare, and always double check the date and time before saving to avoid conflicts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, clear tech how-tos.